Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua Tech Designs. So many people have been calling me and asking me how they can turn off their Windows Defenders. So I thought instead of accepting all their calls, I should just make a video and refer them to this channel so that they can use this video forever and ever. So it's really simple. If you want to turn off your Windows Defenders, first thing you need to do is to go to your start menu. That's Windows 11 and 10. They all have the same logo. You just click on start, or you can even start on the Windows logo on your keyboard. So when you click on start, it will give you this. For Windows 11, you come to settings, which is also the same thing with Windows 10. You can also go to settings. And then from your settings, let's wait a bit. Yes, from settings, you go to privacy and security. This is for both Windows 10 and 11. When you click on that, it will show you this window. So you go to Windows security. When you click on Windows security, you'll be able to see these options. There's virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection. So most times we turn off the first option, which is virus and the threat protection. You can leave all the rest as they are, and sometimes also the firewall at some point you may need to turn it off, but most times we turn off virus and threat protection. You just click on this, it will open another window, which is here. So you should be able to see this. That's if you don't have an extra antivirus in your computer. But if you have other antiviruses like 360, Kaspersky, they will hide these things. The interface may look different for you because of those antiviruses. But if yours is this without antivirus, you'll be able to see the current threats. You'll see virus and threat protection. So what you do here is just come to this virus and threat protection, which is the second option. You click on manage settings. When you click on manage settings, you will see these options which have been uh, turned on. All of them have been turned on. So most times we turn off this first one, which is the real-time protection. When you turn off this real-time protection, it will also turn off the DIV, or development drive protection. So most times these two options are really enough for your demand. So basically that is it. That is how you can easily turn off your virus and threat protection in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope you do remember this. You just go to settings. From settings you go to from the start menu. From start menu to settings. From settings you go to privacy and security. From privacy and security you'll be able to see the virus. You'll be able to see Windows security. So from Windows security you click on virus and threat protection. Then you can come to manage settings and turn off these two, and they will serve your purpose. If you found this useful, please make sure you subscribe to Lulua Tech Designs. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you.